In this video, I'll show you how to group objects in LibreOffice Draw quickly and easily. Grouping is one of the most useful features in Draw because it lets you move, resize, and organize multiple objects as if they were one. That means less frustration, cleaner layouts, and a much faster workflow when you're building diagrams, shapes, or design elements. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, look at the left side of the Start Center. Under the Create section, click Draw Drawing. This opens a new drawing document where you can work with shapes, text, and other objects. Now you need at least 2 objects on the page to group them together. These could be shapes, text boxes, icons, or any other elements you've already added. To select multiple objects, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each object you want to include in the group. As you click them, you should see all of the selected objects highlighted. This is important because only selected objects can be grouped together. Once everything you want is selected, right-click on one of the highlighted objects. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, move to Group and then click Group again. This tells LibreOffice Draw to combine all of the selected objects into a single grouped item. After that, you'll notice the objects now behave like one unit. You can drag the entire group around the page, resize it, or reposition it without changing the individual layout inside the group. This is especially useful if you want to keep elements aligned while making larger design changes. If you ever need to edit the objects individually again, you can ungroup them later using the same general process. But for now, grouping is perfect when you want to keep everything together and avoid moving items one by one. So, in simple terms, the process is to open LibreOffice, go to Draw Drawing, select the objects with Shift, right-click, and choose Group. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to group objects in LibreOffice Draw and make your editing process much more efficient. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.